Hi, I'm Tom McFarland. I'm a London Market Practice Lead at Novidea. So Novidea, we serve across a wide breadth of markets, from retail to commercial, wholesale and reinsurance. And that's really our kind of unique proposition, that we have one platform that serves all of those different industries. Novidea's most recent release, R3, introduces a whole breadth of functionalities across the industries that we serve. For me personally, I focus on the London market, and so the key functionalities that we've developed in that area are focusing on complex placements through BiPAR or vertical placement, and with our bordereau ingestion mechanism. So firstly, with the BiPAR functionality, that gives us the ability to capture the huge complexities and variances between carriers on each individual placement on a policy or contract that is placed through the London market. On the bordereau ingestion side, we have introduced a functionality that enables us to ingest data supplied in a bordereau file. So that's really key capability for the clients that we serve, because it reduces rekeying, increases efficiency, and ultimately provides us with that unique proposition of being the end-to-end platform. The new functionalities that we have introduced in our most recent release, R3, from my perspective, are focused on two key aspects. The first being the complexity of risk that is traded in the UK, and secondly, the efficiency in operation and how we process those risks. So our huge, turnkey functionalities there in terms of the BiPAR enhancements and the bordereau ingestion are two great examples of how we can capture additional complexity, therefore creating structure and reporting capabilities for our clients. And secondly, on the bordereau ingestion side, that improvement in efficiency, reducing rekeying, and actually turning information that was commonly passed in spreadsheets into something structured and really useful. Brokers in the UK faced a whole multitude of challenges, from regulatory, internal, market, input factors. For me personally, I always focus on two core things, and that's internal factors and internal challenges, and external factors and external challenges. And in the context of my work, I like to focus on the principle of ecosystems and the interoperability of systems. So internally, commonly a broker will have a multitude of systems for the multiple processes they operate, from customer relationship to sales, through to processing, ledger posting, and right through to management information. Now at Novidea, we can handle those internal challenges on how we pass the data through those various stages of the life cycle, because we support the entire end-to-end life cycle. In addition, most brokers in the UK will have other systems that they call out to support those functions. And again, with our open API architecture, we can easily integrate and call out to those systems. That kind of then tails into the external factors. And again, for me, in my role, I put a flavour of the interoperability of systems in the external ecosystem within that. So within an organisation, there are lots of processes that require integration between systems. And in the marketplace as a whole, there is lots of integration required between systems. So for example, at the moment, Novidea are at the forefront of that technological integration in the London market, because we're working with PPL on their early adopters program. So we are actively communicating data to and from the market through PPL. So what that means is the internal challenges of interoperability and data exchange, and the external challenges we are ultimately resolving through our open API architecture and our forward-thinking approach to that technology. Novidea sets itself apart in this industry, firstly through its end-to-end handling of the insurance lifecycle. So we have clients that operate as brokers, MGAs, cover holders in the carrier space across a multitude of marketplaces and types of business or lines of business. Fundamentally at Novidea, we support all of those through our single platform, with almost like a Lego brick style approach to putting together the components that each customer needs. So we have functionality through sales right through to claims for all of the industries that we serve, which is very different to perhaps legacy systems or other systems out on offer in the marketplace that are perhaps either focused with a niche on a specific process, or alternately on a specific marketplace. So again, we cover from retail to commercial, wholesale, reinsurance, the whole breadth of the insurance industry, all within one platform, and that's really what sets us aside. In terms of our future roadmap, we are continuing on that path of focusing on our system as the hub of an ecosystem, both internally for a broker or a carrier and externally within the marketplace. So our roadmap is focused on how we deliver those integrations and that data exchange within an end-to-end workflow for our customers. The focus of my area is that London market. So the Blueprint 2 is a Lloyd's initiative that's been a subject of conversation among all market participants for quite some time. And again, we're at the forefront of that program of change. Going beyond that, the Blueprint 2 Phase 2 is very much at the forefront of our thinking in terms of our, again, data exchange, interactions and interoperability with other systems. And that really forms a key part of our strategy going forward.